Hey, my name is Markov Yuri, the Darker Lord's wife. Today, I will talk about the farting sound effect from Yakoshi. It's from a video called Gassy Revenge, linking smiley face, vertical bracket dash a like vertical bracket dash a farts vertical bracket dash. It was uploaded on December 16, 2022. The sound length from this video is 0:38 to 0:42. The music box will be removed at the beginning and end. I will show you this sound effect right now. It sounds like this. See? This is how the farting sound effect from Yakoshi sounds like. This sound is only used when I have to go to the bathroom and test Yakoshi's farting sound and make number 2 in the toilet. I feel so much better after taking a huge poop. Remember children, make sure you use Yakoshi's farting sound in your bathroom break videos, okay? And oh, I gave a video link in the description.